Softgel Capsule Automatic Production Line. Joyson introduces our smart softgel manufacturing equipment for gelatin and medicine preparation. It realizes PLC automatic control throughout the whole process. Meets the requirements of pharmaceutical GMP and FDA. We assist customers in updating softgel production of encapsulating and softgel drying and sorting. Online medicine loading system for medicine ingredients tank. Online oil transferring system. The medicine preparation system also uses two medicine tanks alternatively to shorten the cleaning and preparation time. This automatic medicine mixing system is composed of modules such as vacuum material loading, automatic temperature control, online weighing, online grinding, C.I.P., pressure or gravity material transfer, and detection units. The equipment is controlled by Siemens PLC and connected to the MES system via Ethernet to realize the data collection. It realizes the goal of standard technology, data recording, process monitoring, and product traceability. Multiple formulas and multiple processes can be input into the system database in advance. Preset basic parameters include raw material mixing temperature, vacuum degree, cooling time, speed, particle grinding, etc. After the materials are ready, select the product names, press the button after double-checking production data. The system will carry out production instructions automatically. Workers only need to monitor the system and occasionally intervene. When the vacuum degree reaches the preset value, the liquids are delivered to the tank through the pipeline in order. Start slow mixing, and control the temperature and mixing of materials according to process requirements. The solid materials are sequentially vacuum conveyed into the tank through the hopper, and at the same time as the material is sucked, the high-speed stirring is turned on to prevent frothing and material loss. An inline colloid mill for external circulation grinding can be added if necessary. The preparation is complete and waiting for the discharge. The medicine mixing system calculates encapsulating time to feed medicine solution, ensuring the continuous operation of the softgel manufacturing. Automatic gelatin melting system. The gelatin melting tanks adopt alternative production between two gelatin tanks. We divide the gelatin melting system into several modules such as vacuum suction, automatic temperature control, online weighing, online cleaning, pressure or gravity material transfer, and detection units. The controlling system uses a 12 Siemens color touch screen and advanced PLC. The basic parameters such as temperature, vacuum and speed are set in advance for multiple recipes and multiple processes. This is our one-for-all programmed software. After the materials are ready, select recipe names, press the confirm button after double-checking preset manufacturing values. The gelatin melting system will carry out all procedures one by one in order. The gelatin melter is double-jacketed with hot water circulation, a two-way multi-layer stirrer, automatic vacuum degassing. First of all, preheating the gelatin tank. Then stirrer is turned on while purified water and glycerin are loaded into the tank through the pipeline. The gelatin powder is sucked into the tank through a vacuum hopper. After the automatic vacuum defoaming and online viscosity test is qualified, the gelatin solution will be transferred onto the Softgel Encapsulation machine. The gelatin melting system calculates encapsulating time to feed gelatin solution, ensuring the continuous operation of the softgel manufacturing. Medicine and gelatin tank cleaning. After the gelatin solution and medicine is discharged out from tanks, we need to clean them. Cleaning tanks with hot water at 80 degrees Celsius with spray balls. After reaching the preset water level, turn on the cleaning pump and repeat the above steps until the conductivity is qualified. Use compressed air to hot blow and dry the tank together with pipeline.